Okay, hi everyone. So welcome to ASR Academy. So in the previous video I have explained some 4 questions. So today I am explaining some questions which they have asked in your exam. So first question is, an 4.5 centimeter needle is placed at 12 centimeter away from the convex mirror. Focal length, find the position and magnification. It's very easy. Just I will write the given thing, you find the answers. Okay. The first solution is, so given u value, object is minus 15 centimeter, a needle is placed 12 centimeter away from the convex mirror. Sorry, u value is minus 12 centimeter and height of the object is minus 4.5 centimeter and focal length is 15 centimeter. So we know that this is a concave mirror. In concave mirror, f value will be positive. Is asking to find the location or the position of the image and the magnification. So you can use the help of my mirror formula. So 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. So it's a substitute u and f value in this formula. So we will be going to get v value as a minus 6.7 centimeter. So we will get v value as 6.7 centimeter. Next we have to find the magnification. So magnification is nothing but, you can use, for magnification we can use minus v by u. So minus v and u, both the values are with us. So minus 6.7 by minus 12. Okay, or we have height of the image by height of the object. So we can substitute height of the object is given as minus 4.5. sorry, this is not minus, this is 4.5. You just cross multiply, we'll get the height of the image 6.7 into 4.5 by 12, because minus minus can cancel. So if you divide that, you will get 2.5 centimeter. So here this plus symbol will indicate it is a virtual. Magnification is positive. Okay, so you can say magnification is positive and it indicates it is a erect virtual image. నేను ఇవన్నీ షార్ట్కట్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను, ఎందుకంటే దీని ముందు వీడియోలో మీరు డీటెయిల్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన వీడియో చూస్తే ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అర్థమవుతాయి. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ మీరు చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ 1 centimeter tall. సో ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ 1 centimeter tall, height of the object, and he's saying that it's a 15 centimeter from the concave. So minus u value will be minus 15 and focal length is minus 10. Is asking to find the value of v. So you can substitute in the formula of mirror. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. If you substitute in this formula, so we'll get v value is minus 30 centimeter. You substitute JND. Okay, so minus, we got the minus. So minus indicate the image will be real and invert, but we have to find the size also. So size is nothing but magnification. Height of the image by height of the object equal to minus v by u. So hi is, we have to find h naught value is 1, minus is minus of minus 30, u value is 15. So 15 ones are 15 twos are, so we'll get height of the image is minus 2 centimeter. So minus will indicate real, invert, and this is 2, this is 1, so it will be enlarged. Okay, third and fourth question you try. An object is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter. So u value will be given as 15. This convex mirror you have to take minus. R value is given as 60 centimeter in the radius of curvature of convex plus. So f value will be 15 centimeter. Okay, so now the u and f value both are same. It means that object is placed at the focal point. So when the object is placed at the focal point, so you can find the v value. We just find the v value with the help of magnification, with the help of mirror formula. So after finding the v value, we can substitute in the magnification formula. Magnification is nothing but minus v by u. So ఈ ఫార్ములాలో మీరు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మీకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ if you substitute in this formula, we'll get v value as 7.5, and if you substitute in this magnification formula, we'll get m value as a 2. You substitute and we'll get the v value as 7.2, m value is 2. Fourth question is also simple. 2 centimeter height of the object. Okay, so this question here, height of the object is given as 2 centimeter, focal length is 10 centimeter, whose focal length is 10 centimeter and u value is 15. this is concave mirror, so this both the value will be negative. So you substitute this f and u value, you will be going to get v value వస్తుంది. v value వచ్చేసి 30 సెంటీమీటర్. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ మనకు v వాల్యూ 30 సెంటీమీటర్ వస్తుంది, పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. సో పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ వస్తే ఏంది, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ virtual, sixth case. So here we will be going to get virtual and erect image. So if you find the magnification, so we'll get the magnification. No, wait, so I will solve this question, don't worry. నేను చిన్నగా మిస్టేక్ చేసిన. height of the object is given as 2 centimeter. It is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter whose focal length is 10 centimeter. He is asking to find the v. So v is nothing but, if you directly substitute in the mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So we need the value of v, so we can write this one as a 1 by f minus 1 by u. So we'll get u minus f by uf. Okay, next, so v value, so you just substitute v, u value is minus 15 minus 15 of minus 10. So 1 by f is equal 1 by f minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by v. So if you substitute, you will get fu. So u minus f is equal to 1 by v. So here v is nothing but fu by u minus f. You substitute the u and f values. So minus 15 minus 10 is equal to u minus 15 plus 10. So we'll minus into minus plus 1, this is minus 5, we'll got the value as minus 30. As I tell you, we'll got the v value as minus 30 centimeter. Similarly, so it minus indicates it is real and invert. So similarly, you substitute in magnification formula, hi by h naught is equal to minus v by u. We'll get this value as an 4. ఓకే, ఇది చేయండి. నేను వేరే క్వశ్చన్ రాస్తున్నాను, అది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. So actually I have to fill the ink. So they have given a question. So they just given a small information. The magnification value is, the magnification of a mirror is minus 1.25. Okay, so they were asking just 4 questions. So I'm just writing on the board, I'm just filling the ink. So this is an important question. So he has given that magnification is minus 1.25. So he has given 4 questions. First one is, you have to find the type of mirror. Second one is asking what is the characteristics of image. Next, third question is given that height of the object is 2 centimeter. He is asking to find the height of the image. And fourth question is asking the position of object on principal axis. So one of the student have asked me this question, so how to solve this. So if you want to know which type of mirror it is, okay, so we can find with the help of the magnification value. So magnification is minus, so m value, if the m value is negative, it indicates that the type of image is real invert. So real image will be found only on one mirror, which is nothing but concave. What is the characteristics of the image? So characteristics of the image is, you can see here, the value is real and invert. So real invert, and it is more than 1. Whenever the value is more than 1, it will be enlarged. So real and invert and magnified image is found, because magnification is nothing but height of the image by height of the object. So if both the values are same, we'll get 1. If the height of the image is bigger, we'll get the value 1 point something. So value is 1.25. It means that height of the image is bigger than the height of the object. So that's why I wrote the magnified image. So height of the object is given 2. So magnification is equal to height of the object by height of the image. So minus 1.25 is equal to height of the object is 2. You have to find hi. Just multiply it, we'll get the answer. Okay. Next what is given here? So he is asking the position of the object on the principal axis. So position of the object can be, okay, if you want to find the position of the object, so it can be find with the help of a small rule. See, this is C, this is F, this is P. So whenever the object is placed at center of curvature, we will be going to get an image of the same sides. So where m value will be -1 and m value will be +1 if the image is placed between P and F. Okay, so we have just left with one place. If an object is placed in between pole and focus madhyalo, focus center of curvature madhyalo ఎప్పుడైనా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉందనుకో, the magnification will be in between, it is more than 1, so 1.25, but we have a negative sign. So just now I showed you in the number line, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. So this is nothing but for the fourth case when the object is placed in between focus and center of curvature, the magnification will be -1 to, we have some values. So position of the object will be in between pole and center of curvature, focus and center of curvature. Okay, so I'm just taking another question. So given that in which situation the magnification is less than 1. Okay, so when the object is kept behind the C, this is focus, so when the magnification will be -1. So when magnification will be -1 when the object is placed at C. So when the magnification will be less than -1, so magnification will be -1 when the object is placed beyond the C. Okay, so what is the nature of the image if the magnification is +2? So plus indicates it in virtual image, so it means that an object is placed between pole and focus and it will be virtual and erect. Image will be virtual, erect and magnified. Okay, so this is the things they may ask in the exam, or else they may ask if m value is -2, what is indicates? So m value is -2, it indicates that object image is real, invert and magnified. But what is the position? It between place between focus and center of curvature. Image object అనేది focus center of curvature మధ్యలో పెడితేనే magnification will be greater than 1. Okay, and minus it indicates ఇది ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ప్లస్, here will have magnification as plus, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి మైనస్ ఉంటుంది. Okay, so if you have any doubts, so we will be clarifying. So in the next video I will be explaining some of the question which they have ray diagrams, or some of the important question which they have asked in the last year. So that will be the last revision video of the chapter 1. So next నేను chapter 1 కి last revision video చేస్తాను. Okay, thank you.